Turkey is known for its fascinating culture, beautiful landscapes, as well as its tasty cuisine. However, did you realize that Turkey is becoming one of the most sought-after destinations for cheap dentistry? In light of the growing cost of dental services in a variety of Western nations, increasing people are turning towards Turkey to receive high-quality, affordable dental treatments. Why Turkey? There are many reasons Turkey has become a sought-after destination to visit a dentist. One reason is the expense for dental procedures in Turkey is that they are considerably cheaper than other countries such as that of the United States and the United Kingdom. It means that patients could make substantial savings in cash by going to Turkey to get their dental treatments. Another reason that Turkey is a top alternative for dental procedures is the excellent level of service which patients get. A lot of dental facilities within Turkey come with the latest technology and staffed with well-trained dentists who are proficient in performing a vast array in dental treatments. Patients can be assured to receive the same care and experience that they receive in their own country as well, if not more. In addition, Turkey is easily accessible via a variety of European nations, which makes it a great option for patients who wish to mix their dental treatments and a getaway. Istanbul specifically, is an extremely popular location for dental tourism due to the stunning architecture, a diverse culture, and warm hospitality. Types of dental treatments available in Turkey. Turkey has a broad range of dental services, including routine procedures like cleanings, fillings. It also offers more complicated treatments such as dental implants, veneers, and orthodontic procedures. Patients often visit Turkey for treatments such as dental implants, which could be costly in their home countries. Implants for dental purposes are a preferred alternative for patients missing some or all of their teeth, since they are a permanent solution that appears and performs just like real teeth. In Turkey, the cost of dental implants is usually more affordable than other countries, which makes implants a desirable option for people who wish to improve their smile. Veneers are another treatment that is popular in Turkey and can enhance the look of chips, stained, or misaligned teeth. Dentistry clinics in Turkey provide various options for veneers. These include conventional porcelain veneers, as well as the latest cheaper composite veneers. The treatment of orthodontics, including clear aligners and braces, are available in Turkey. Most patients prefer traveling to Turkey for treatment in orthodontics since they tend to be performed more rapidly and with a lesser cost than those in their own countries. Choosing a dental clinic in Turkey. When selecting a dentist located in Turkey, you need to research thoroughly and choose a trusted practice that can meet your expectations. Choose a clinic that has good reviews from patients who have been there and run by highly competent, skilled dentists. There are many dental centers across Turkey offer consultations for free, where you can meet with your dentist and talk about possible treatment options prior to making an appointment. This will ensure you're comfortable with your dentist as well as the treatment plan prior to committing to a procedure. It's important to take into consideration where the dental facility when choosing one within Turkey. Patients often choose to visit clinics within Istanbul since it's one of the most popular destinations for tourists and has many things to do throughout their time there. In the end, Turkey is a great alternative for quality, affordable dentistry. Patients will reduce the cost of dental treatments as they receive the best dental care by experienced dentists. Because of its central location as well as its beautiful environment and a rich cultural heritage, Turkey offers a unique and desirable choice for dental tourism. If you're considering going overseas for dental care, Turkey may be the best option for you. Book your travel to today and enjoy all Turkey can offer to all your dental requirements.